Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding using pudding mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 1 package of instant pudding mix, 2 cups of very cold milk, and a whisk. Having your milk chilled is crucial for the pudding to set properly. Also, grab a medium-sized mixing bowl to give yourself plenty of room to work. Now, let's get to the mixing. Begin by pouring the 2 cups of cold milk into your chosen bowl. Next, open your package of instant pudding mix and add all of its contents directly into the milk. Using your whisk, stir the mixture vigorously for exactly 2 minutes. You will notice the pudding starting to thicken as you whisk, transforming into a smooth, creamy consistency. Once your pudding is thoroughly mixed and has begun to thicken, it's time for the final steps. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into your desired serving dishes or a single large bowl if you prefer. Then, place the pudding into the refrigerator. Allow it to chill for a minimum of 5 minutes. This crucial step ensures the pudding sets completely, achieving that perfect, spoonable texture. To elevate your pudding experience, consider a few tips and variations. For an extra rich and creamy texture, try using whole milk. You can also customize your pudding with delicious toppings such as fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or colorful sprinkles. Don't hesitate to explore the wide array of pudding mix flavors available to discover new favorites and enjoy a different treat every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.